Hi everyone, welcome to Techie's Hobbies. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a watch. So let's first unbox and see what we have inside. So this is from Bangalore itself. It's from a famous vintage watch collector called Irfan Bhai. So Irfan Bhai has very good gems. So I have purchased watch from him before also. If you have seen my videos, I have posted regarding an Omax. So that is one watch which I have purchased from him, and so this is my second watch from him. So let's unwrap it and see what it is. So this is the watch. So if you can see in one look, it looks like a Hamilton. So yeah, this is actually a military watch, and the specialty is this one has a titanium body, and it's an automatic, and it's from the brand called Mondaine. So Mondaine is a Swiss brand. It is mainly the new watches of Mondaine are famous because of the Swiss railway clock style dials. So that is basically white dial with the red second hand and black hour and minute hands. So that is what they are kind of famous now for, but they also have a rich history in Swiss watchmaking, and this watch is one example of that. So as you can see, this is an automatic, and it has the standard Swiss or a standard army watch size, which is not very huge. So this is one reason why I was first hesitant, but this is the standard for all the army watches. That, as you can see, it's just 34 mm, but with the crown it's I think 38 or 39 mm with the crown. So let's put it on and see how it looks. So this comes on a Daniel Wellington NATO strap, which suits it well. So this is how it looks. So this is not too huge, but it is a military watch, and this is one of my first military watches. So the dial, as you can see, it has both the 12 and 24 hours on the indices, which is how a military watch is usually, and you can see the movement. It has a see-through case back, and the movement is really beautiful. So it has a Mondaine watch and 21 jewels Swiss movement. So it has a very nice Swiss movement, and the rotor says Mondaine. So I'm guessing it is in-house. If it's not in-house, do correct me in that, but I'm guessing it is most probably an in-house movement here, and the titanium case is really nice. It has a nice texture, and yeah, overall I think it's a very nice watch for the money. And just take a look at the dial, the detail of the dial. So this is what you can see, and the date, it's currently in German. I'm not sure. Let's see what is the okay. So it has a screw down, no, doesn't have a screw down crown. So I will first, okay, one thing to note here, when you are changing the dates, make sure that the marker is not close to 12, because when it's close to the place where it is going to flip, then it is gonna be a trouble. So I'll put it like 6:30, and then I'll try to change the day. Okay, date is this direction. So, and okay, I can see that it's only in one language, which is interesting. So I don't have a German day watch. So I am guessing this is German, but I'm not very sure because it's short forms, which I'm not really sure about. It's either German or French. But anyways, overall it is a very nice looking watch, and the design is also really nice. At least I like it. So please let me know your feedback on what you think about this new acquisition. Do share the video and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.